Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Sorry for the week-long break. I was just way too lazy to get a haircut, but don't worry, I am back with even more content, so stay tuned. But here's the intro. If you've been tuning into my stream, you would have noticed that I picked up this little riot game called Valorant. Now, it's been a while since I held a pistol instead of a sword, so I consider myself kind of an intermediate beginner. I know how to aim, but I don't know how to play. So I've been grinding and practicing, and thankfully the Discord server is full of hopeful beginners like me who's not afraid to give it all they got. And that's when I met 34RTL3SS. It's an Android type of name, I guess. Anyway, he was nice enough to let my unranked butt into his group and continued looking for other players, but as you can imagine, it was very hard to pitch an unranked player to other golds because, you know, they're all so good. So this genius of a man decided to beat the rank system with the biggest 200 IQ play I have ever seen.
Would you say you're able to handle a 1v1 against golds?
I don't know, I haven't tried.
Well,
Yep.
I'm just gonna put it there just to make you seem good, even if you aren't.
Just to make you seem like you're good even though you aren't? Huh. Well,
But
here,
probably
let's 1v1.
Oh, you want a 1v1? Okay, buddy. Okay. Where are you at? Come on.
Also, at this point, he actually explained to me how to say his name. Earthless.
Effortless, but you know.
Effortless. Oh, it looks
You
like
know, you see it
Earless.
for-
It's effortless. It's funny because it's not very effortless to read that name. Effortless. Well, here's how the first few duels went. Oh no, you're not crawling around, are you?
So.
That's okay.
I hate vandals, dude. That's kind of stupid. That's kind of stupid. Okay, I thought you said you were bad.
I didn't say I was bad. I said I was new at the game. I was new at Valorant.
Yeah,
I played
right.
CSGO. There's a difference. Oh, I almost caught your head when you jumped,
I know.
but I missed.
Hey, the game's doing a good job putting us together.
No, I was at the LFG chat. I was like looking for I was like chill friends to play ranked with.
How did I lose that?
Jeez, you went the long way.
I mean, long way. I didn't go anyway. That's so. No, I'm going to a phantom, dude. No way, I whiffed that. Okay, I'm gonna figure it out.
Unfortunately, at this point, I didn't even realize that you could see other players on your minimap. Oi, I didn't have my gun out. See?
Out of the court. Heck, are you?
I'm always at mid. See? Damn it.
No.
And he evened it out. Oh, damn. I know, I forgot to switch. Damn it. That's okay. There's only a few minutes left and it's closing time.
134 and I don't like it. What is this? Huh? Why? How do you have?
I just pulled out my pistol.
I free fire too. Seems kind of stuck.
I'm streaming right now, you can watch me.
I need that. No, that was definitely part of it. You wanted to 1v1 just so you could ask for it?
No, I wanted to see if I could 1v1 a gold. I'm trying to check. You said it. I wanted to answer your question.
Yeah, I know, but like, what is this? It's so cup. It's this cup.
Gotcha.
It's this cup.
What?
What is that? Oh my god. It's probably like the worst gold. I'm probably like, if anybody's watching, it'd be like worst gold ever. Dude.
It's okay, no one's judging. I just wanted to see if I could handle it.
So there you go. I guess I can dual golds. GG's to 34RTL3SS for being such a good sport, but unfortunately, I landed in silver 3.